guys. Horror mode, game mode, warm-up mode. So guys, Tandav is ready. It's under warm-up mode. 1.1 is the reading starting point. Time you can see 6:36. Ready to go. As per the Google auntie, it's saying somewhere around 2 hours 48 minutes. I will keep you updated. You can see from the screenshot. So early morning you can see in our home vicinity, nearby home, there's no much of traffic except animals, very few. So by the grace of God, Madepa, I'm at Nanjumalge circle. Normally here you can see vegetable vendors at this hour, but I think due to some cold for these people, they are unable to come. And you can see early morning sunrise. Ganapati Bappa Moria, always I take the blessings of this Lord Ganesh. Once again, Ganapati Bappa Moria, before going, give me safe journey. ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ತಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಖ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ. And this is MG Road, Mysore, main vegetable market. So I also go there at least 10-15 days once to buy wholesale veggies and other things. So ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ economical. So now you can see how I am cruising on my Tandava on Nazarbad Zugadan road. That is T Narsipur highway. You can see it in 70-80. Easily I can cruise without any difficulty. ಯಾವ ಗಾಡಿ ಬರಲಿ ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ತಾಂಡವ ಜೈ. See how it's cruising. So without any kind of difficulties I am moving easily. Now I am at Kempegowda circle, Kempegowda Vrutta. So without any difficulties, especially this is the reason why I prefer two-wheelers than four-wheelers. If I am alone or even with another person, two-wheeler is the best source, I tell you guys. See, this Swift guy, Bala Budwanta, is trying to overtake me throughout the journey. So see in my mirror, right side mirror, you can see him. He's trying to overtake, but I am not giving him because Tandav can negotiate on all kinds of jumps, sumps, whatsoever it is. So this is the main advantage of EDV Tandav. I am at near Varuna Lake. Left side you can see Varuna Lake has almost drenched. ಈ ಸತ ಮಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈನ್ಸ್, ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಕೇರಳ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಗಣಪತಿ ಬಪ್ಪ ಮೌರ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ Varuna, I am almost at the outskirts of Mysore heading towards T Narsipur. ಸೊ ನಂದೇನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಗುಂಜಾ ನರಸಿಂಹ, which is our home god. That is my main advantage. That is my main aim. Normally wherever I go on the way, I just bow ಒಂದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಂಜಾ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಹೊರಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತೀತಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಚುವಲ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ just giving a kind of positive vibes, and also vitamin D, source of vitamin D you can see. So right side, onto my right side you can see actor Darshan's farmhouse. Currently he is in jail after being denied bail from Supreme Court. So this part is, I'm heading towards the toll gate, where you can see here, if there are no vehicles, I will easily jump away the breakers, but unfortunately this scooter guy he is not allowing me. But what to do, he is also one of the road user, but he has to wear helmet. None of the guys in rural part wear helmet. See the hump, whatever it is, hump irli ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಂಡವ, nothing to worry whatsoever it is. Tandav rocks. See how I am cruising. The main aim, wherever you guys travel, it's not the question of top speed guys, it's the question of consistency. So if you are consistent enough, you can easily cruise around 75-80 with this kind of bikes. 75 to 80 kilometers on normal highways, roads. And after crossing the bridge, I am heading towards Narsipur. See, already I have reached here within no time. I am thinking not even 30 minutes. Yeah, on to my left side, you can see Kamini River, and now I am taking a turn entry in front of Lord Gunja Narasimha Temple, situated near the holy river of Kabini. Jai Narasimha, Jai Gunja Narasimha. ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮೀ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿಯಪ್ಪ ದೇವರೇ, ನನಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾತ ಮುತ್ತಾತ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗೈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ generations to I think after this flyover there are 3 to 4 kilometers and no need to worry. See, there is no board sign also situated, located. I am not using Google, I am just using my own brain network. Even Dr. Rajkumar, but no matter, because of this flyover we can keep cruising and we can save time. Even though if it is more kilometers, we can part of the munch miles easily by cruising around 80, 90, 95 like that. So else we need to slope. This left side road directly goes towards Hanur, and this see, have a look at the mountains. Uge Madappa, Nagamale Vadaya, you can see them whatsoever it is. And I am almost easily nearer to cruising around Hanur 60. So this part also has been developed after this. This is the main advantage. You can see this is Hanur police station, the mesmerizing view of the nature, how the skies are clear. What a magnificent view, guys. Took over the arms and ammunition. Clear sky condition. I have taken raincoat for any emergency, but I don't think today it's going to rain. And after that, you see, I am heading towards. Almost I am at the Kollegal forest, outer Kollegal. This is not bypass of Kollegal. Now, no need to go to inside errand drivers, because somehow by flyover has been made recently 1 year back. I am trying to overtake, but some two-wheelers are there. So this is the sad part. On car, it's very difficult. On two-wheeler, Har Har Mahadev, Jai Tandav, you can see how easily I overtook this guy. So that is what I call four-wheelers just move your body, but two-wheelers move your body and soul. And to ride a two-wheeler especially, need to be physically, mentally fit with special skills, adrenaline rush, and also your reflexes need to be very, very, very sharp. Even a small mistake can land you in hospital for months. I think so. Safety first, helmet, safety kit, everything, riding gears are must for a rider. So make sure with all these things you can play adventure. So it's like playing a video game. I think most of the guys, I think you have watched MotoGP where Marc Marquez, Valentino Rossi and other riders, even I don't think they can do this kind of things like how I am doing with my Tandava, because they do only on track and not on public roads. And you can see some hospital to my right side. So almost I am coming nearer towards my destination, and this is Kaudalli. This is sad part. What I am observing, this has not been improved. I think this is illegal encroachment because of government politics, worse things. This road needs to be widened, but that is the sad part. Most of the time traffic gets jammed at Kaudalli. So here you see the road is very much developed. I am almost nearer to the MM Hills territory. So this is almost a forest area. This is also, you can say, tiger reserve. So whatever the humps you are seeing doesn't deter for Tandav. Jai Kannada, Kannadambe. I was happy to see the Kannada flag on the three-wheeler. So it's a nice gesture. Wherever see school kids morning going for school. Here also you see these are small, narrow, confined routes. So we have to be careful, manage somehow. Two-wheeler, it's easy to maneuver, unlike four-wheeler. So enjoying the scenery, nature, along with some wild monkeys on the road. You can see I'm almost at the forest area. So this is called Talbetta, Yolumale Madeppa. Here, most of the people make a stop for 5 minutes. Har Har Mahadev, Tandava is also taking blessing of Har Har Mahadev. Okay, Madappa. So they put some kind of dupa, and after taking the blessings, so from here it's 15 kilometers. Total hairpin bends of around 27 hairpin bends. So you need to be very careful. See, when you are overtaking, these are small roads. Especially on day of Amavasya, there will be many accidents. These people are returning after having blessings and darshan of Lord Madappa. And see, some of the places I am negotiating with second and third gear. These are left side, you can see steps. People who go by foot take footsteps. So that's also a way to have Lord's blessing by doing rigorous trekking. And see how I am negotiating curves. These turnings, I think I need to go on second. Again, Jai Karnataka, Jai Karanambe, one more auto. So it's very happy to see autos. These guys, this is one more temple on the way. So I have made up my mind directly to stop at the guest church. See, now I am descending down after climbing certain. I think this is the last part, around 3 to 4 kilometers. This is Shani Paramatma temple. So these people are returning after having blessings. So easily I am overtaking this Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation KSRTC buses. So one needs to be very careful. See, these people are coming. This right side goes to some village which I have not seen. Someday I will go with my friends. Left side you are able to see Uge Madappa Tandava. That's the main idol. See these guys. Oh, come right side, bye. Come right side, bro. KSRTC bus need to take long turn for, especially since they are heavy. This idiot is on a phone. So all kinds of driver you will find everywhere. So almost I have done, guys, around I think 95%, 95, so almost 96. Can say after overtaking this bus, I am done with it, guys. You can say it is 99%. So 100%. Bye bye. See you, parking wala. So it's almost, you can see on the speedometer, odometer, it's 2 hours, 10 minutes. Total 141 kilometers from my house. Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Uge Madappa, Nagamalai Vadaya.